What's up, everybody? Good morning, good morning. It's a beautiful morning, man. Beautiful. Should be a nice, beefy cold start. Got this little foam out. Alright, guys, today I'm on my way to Riverside. I'm gonna be meeting up with the homie Israel, or more famously known as Izzy Still Digging. I believe that's his IG handle. I'm going for an interior car detailing. Seatbelts right, bro. Still good on gas? Oh yeah, still good. A little below half. We should be able to make it. I need to fix that rear suspension, man. Damn, bro, that thing sounds bad. Where are my sunglasses? I cannot wait, man, to get proper seats, man. I mean, this thing just keeps slipping off. Slowly, you'll start seeing it just like slide off of my shoulder. I never installed this. It was the previous car owners. As you guys know, I shit on the previous car owners with this car a lot. A lot of things have been done to this car that I never liked, and so I had to fix some of the stuff. Man, this is one of them it's annoying. It's annoying, but I got used to it already. But that's not good because then I just let it be. So I need to handle the situation. Alright, we're about 5 minutes away from the homie Izzy, so we should be there pretty soon. I'm a little low on gas too. I'm between E and a quarter. So that'd be what, like an 8? So I'll just pump gas afterwards. I'm already running late anyways. What the hell is happening, man? Come on. I'm like 1.5 miles away from the exit. Yeah, so that exit was closed, so it took us to another exit, so should be there in like 2 minutes. Damn, man, some donuts sound good right now. Hungry. We hungry.
We hungry.
I have arrived. Alright. Yeah, they put the EG6 seats in here. It's rough on the interior. Exterior's trash, as you know. What's under the hood? Fucking stickers and shit. Like sticker blasted.
Man, single cam.
Yeah, single cam, bro. I do have oil leaking from that valve cover there, that bolt. So then I had the machine shop do time certs on this one, that one, and that one.
Damn.
But on this one and this one, the heating coil broke. So I went ahead and tried to install a thread insert. It's not sitting right, so I think I'm gonna remove it and then just put the time cert to seal it better. But other than that, bro, it's good. Huh?
Open down pipe.
Yeah, open down pipe. Still has the OEM radiator. Changed the hose. It was all chewed up. Yeah, put some little work. Man. Yeah, put some work. So it's
How
pretty
much
cool.
power is it making?
I think it dynoed at 160 on a Mustang dyno. 160, 140.
That's
so
cool. On 6 pounds?
On 6 pounds.
That's not bad.
Yeah, it's not bad. I guess on a dyno jet, it would have been like 180, 160 because there's like a 10, 15% bump.
Yeah, each dyno is different.
Not like I'm gonna be racing this shit and sandbag. I'm like, oh, get you by like 20 horsepower and shit and 20 torque and shit,
It's fun.
Yeah, no, it's fun, bro.
I had
it's
a single
fun.
cam nitro.
Alright, so I'm just taking out what I need. Everything that I leave in here is gonna be considered trash. So, oh yeah, look, here's the actual the rest of the piping. Yeah, for the car. So in case cops do get on my ass, I'm like, hey bro, it broke yesterday. Little before and after. Yeah.
They got the sequence.
Oh, that was me. I'll explain to you right now how I did that. So, one time I took this car up to San Jose, right? This passenger seat didn't have a seatbelt. So I went ahead and grabbed the one from the passenger just to mock up some bullshit ass like seatbelt to make it seem like, two cops that we had at least a harness. And that's what I did. So I tied it up. Yeah, if you look at that one over there, that one's cut. Actual. So I cut the tip off of it. Because if you look at it right here, that's how we just tied it there. Yeah, that's how we did. Yeah. I know you guys want to see this, man. That bar, freaking beautiful. Look at this. Got the Brembos on there, drilled rotors. Badass. And it's going down. What happened?
The hot box in the car.
Ah. Damn. And that driver's side looks clean, bro. That's crazy. That's clean, bro. I'm warming up here, man. My feet were freezing. And my hands. Had a bunch of crap in here. Taking it out. Throw it away and crap. I don't need this crap. An A and fitting cover. Another gauge. Garbage. Clamp. This is an SI badge, but it's for the wrong car. I believe it's an 8th gen. 8th, 9th, I don't know. I always find myself still peeling some of this shit off, man. I just finished peeling this whole side right here, this fender. Alrighty guys, interior's done. All the water that came out of that car. Freaking nasty. Oh look, these are the interior pieces I'm telling you about that it had. These. Yeah, so I took them off because they're all red. I look stupid. I still have that one there, but I need to take that one off. All bad. I'm showing the homie here that like these are the mirrors that the car came with. Freaking horrible, man. Definitely happy with how it looks.